two, one. A very good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Anisha.
Good
Training अच्छी
morning.
हुई है तुम लोगों की. Okay, let me put myself on spotlight there. You guys can see me?
Yes.
Okay, a very good morning, everyone. I'm Aisha Sheikh. I'm the founder director of AES. There are a lot of titles, but I prefer calling myself as a teacher. That's my root. That's where I came from, and I will stick to being a teacher. There are many people who come and say, "Why are you not removing that prefix teacher?" And I say, "That's where I came from." And my name, I am here today because of that word teacher. From teacher to an entrepreneur to I don't know what more. Alhamdulillah is what I say. But I will never take the credit for myself. So a normal teacher, if I'm standing here with you all today, is because of everyone's support. Everyone. I don't think my friends stood by me or maybe my relatives, but the strangers stood by me. During the COVID, the work I was doing, it was appreciated by all the strangers across the globe. And that's where I got my very first award in 4 months. I taught the children from 101 countries. And in a very unique way, if you have seen some of my work, you would see me in cats and dogs. This is the most nicest kind of a face you can see. This is only for you all. My classes, I don't look like this. I look like all the zebras and gorillas, and the witch is my favorite one. So that is how it all started. And today, here we are. I own two edtech companies. We are into online educational services, the classes. We also provide IT and software services. We have a huge team working on that. So we connect with the banks, organizations, and all the firms. So we have team in UAE, India, and Canada working on that project. So that department is led by somebody else. This is completely मेरा तो bouncer ही जाता है उसमें. And since I'm the only phonics teacher influencer in the UAE, you can also call it as social media influencer. That's a little part of my work. I don't focus much on that. So we do a lot of branding and marketing as well of brands and schools and organization. Having said that, my heart lies with women. Women were the ones I used to run away from. I was always told not to be closer to a woman because we are into bitching, we are into gossiping, and they are the ones who will pull you down and this and that. And to be honest, I saw them doing that. You know, Adis is other 90% or 85% of my family members and relatives are like that. They don't like you growing. You know, they're like, oh, what is that? Why you look like this? Oh, what have you worn in your ears? Even if I go like this, they still have something to tell about me. At least 10 to 20 things they will tell about me, worse things. And then I realized, really? Is it looking like that? Am I like that? So the self-doubt पे लेके आते हैं. That is a skill though. Huh? It is not common. ये only skilled लोग कर सकते हैं. So वहां से हम लोग आए हैं. Today I stand here that women are my strength. Women are my strength, and I can proudly boast about it because we do have a lot of success stories at AES. Jahan pe we have women, they have a different story history outside, but they when they enter AES, the vibe they get from our people, I mean, like they've changed them. Only one or two remaining, वो भी 50% है, but otherwise I'm like, क्या मैजिक है ये इसकी लड़कियों में, यू नो, इट इज यू गाइस चेंजिंग देम. इमेजिन करो वैसे कि कितना वाइब हमारा स्ट्रांग होगा कि वी कैन चेंज अ पर्सन हैविंग अ स्ट्रांग नेगेटिव ऑरा. अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह. And from there we have three communities. So one for women, one for parents, kids and teachers, and one for entrepreneurs. You know, for entrepreneurs, when I started my journey, I know I was a little overconfident back then. I was thinking like, ठीक है, I just got my publicity and all. I became an influencer now, and from a normal teacher suddenly there. So I was looking myself somewhere up. So I always thought कि अभी मेरे से टक्कर कोई नहीं ले सकता. I'll be like that. You know, you're in the seventh heaven and you want to be that charm kind of. So I was like, okay. And then I thought I'll start my business now. I think naam acha aa gaya, so everyone will join. The best part was I took a e-commerce license and I had only 3 students enrolling for myself. That is the place I realized, you know, that मेरा overconfidence थोड़ा थोड़ा कम होने लगा. Later, as we moved on, मेरे को लगा कि आ ही नहीं रहे बच्चे because children and parents got so used to my free classes. One whole year I taught the children for free. So now they're expecting me to do only free. So उसके बाद, after 3 to 4 months, I spent a lot of money on marketing and stuff. Nothing worked, to be honest. And we came back to zero. That's exactly where we were. I had only one manager, personal manager back then. And I didn't have Indian currency, one manager and one designer. He was a freelancer. So just 10,000 for both of them. And I didn't have money to pay them. So that was the time I realized that having an income is so important. You just cannot clean up your savings. I cleaned up my savings completely. And I sold my daughter's diamond studs back then. I had my untold story as well. And some of them came back, why are you writing all of this? What will people think of you? I said, what will people think of me? That is something that happened with me. They should know that it happened. Not everything I post on social media. I post a lot of glorious stuff that's happening now. But they should know this is what happened to me and this is where I am right now. And from there, we then decided it is because of my CEO, Ranbir Kaur. She's the one who stood by me when the company went down. And she said, let's start it together. And we then decided that AES is going to rise again. And that's how AES came. And mashallah, we have grown, I can say, more than 20 times since then. Alhamdulillah. So it is 1.5 years for us in the market. We are the fastest growing startups. And there's a lot of projects coming in line. And I'm hoping that you guys can join us, inshallah, in future. So that is a little bit about me, ye pura journey mera. So the ones who do not know me, and there are many new faces. Some of you may know, I think the rest wouldn't. And that's the reason I feel that you need to know my story. And for me, I feel there's nothing commercial. To be honest, everything is very clear. What I do, my kind of work, my work style, everything is very clear. There's nothing that I'm going to make millions in this work, what I'm doing. I'm removing my personal time from my family and trying to give it back to AES. So if I'm sitting with y'all, you guys are my family. And I see y'all growing with me. I am here because I took people along with me. And I'm right here with y'all. And I'm wanting that you guys be with me until the journey of mine, end of the journey of mine. Inshallah. I'm manifesting for that. So with that, I am removing the spotlight from me and I am going to point it out to each one of y'all. So inky pinky ponky kare hum log. I have the snow in my hand. And shall we give the chance to Subbalakshmi because she is traveling for, yeah, she is in motion over there. वो हिल ही रही है पूरी तब से. So let's give chance to her. Please note one thing: when you are going to be on spotlight, you have 30 seconds time. And the moment I remove the spotlight, that means your time is up. You'll have to stop there. Okay, so plan yourself in a way that you tell your name, your brand name, and what your brand does, and why people should be coming to you. Okay, cool. So let me keep my timer on. This is, by the way, rolling live. We are going to post it on YouTube too. Timer. Ready? Steady? Go. Subbalakshmi, where are you?
Yeah, I'm here.
इतना प्रिटी नहीं होना चाहिए किसी को कि मेरे को ढूंढना पड़े लोगों को. हाँ, मिल गई. Yes, good girl. Ready?
Yes. Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Yes, start.
Hello, everyone. Good morning to all. My name is Subbalakshmi. My brand name is Rhythm, the Essence of Nature. If you think about the rhythm is a handcrafted, consciously handcrafted and organic and natural brand for skin and the hair care. It is a customized product as per your skin and the hair. We look into the cons and we look into your needs. We make customized products accordingly, and it is made to order. And we have different types of services in our rhythm, like soap. We deal into soap, shampoos, and lip balm and cotton. Thank you, Ms. Aisha, for the opportunity.
Thank you. Okay, 35 seconds was grace period de sakte hum log. That was amazing. Subbalakshmi's products I'm using. I have used multiple times. I'm still using her face pack. If you are into traditional old nani style face packs, and you get that nice aroma of haldi and the traditional items, if you are into that, I'm telling you, you'll fall in love with that face pack. So you can try it out. I am a personal, I'm a client of hers. So yes. Okay, the next one, Inky Pinky Ponky Kratika. There you go.
Yes, yes. Good morning, everyone. I'm certified DMIT neuroscience assessment expert. So basically I'm taking the fingerprints for both the hands and analyzing the inborn potential of the kids, which will help us to know like how they should grow in their future. It's not a career counseling, but for the right parenting style, for some special education kids, we get to know where is their particular interest, and rather than forcing them, we can take them the way they want to and they can excel in their life then. So this is my basic point for taking this assessment, because I have taken for my son.
Okay. So this is a new topic, by the way. A little, we have two kinds of, what do you say, opinions for this. The counselors are sometimes against it, but I'm very curious to know more about this fingerprint,
Surely
method.
will.
And I'm hoping that we meet someday and then you can share a
Yeah,
little bit more. Yeah?
definitely. Yes,
Thank
definitely. Thank
you.
you. Thank you.
Hiral, you're next.
Wait, have I unmuted myself? Yeah.
Yes.
Hi, this is Heedal from Desi Chic. We are an Indian cotton clothing brand. We are into Indian and Indo-fusion clothing. We specialize into premium cotton, which is what is a requirement of the Dubai weather. And we deal with weavers from India. We deal with different prints, textiles, and yes, we also deal with different silhouettes. So we go season wise, and yes, that's where we are. So do follow us for all your cotton needs and even for your festive needs. Our Ramadan collection is live right now. So do follow us on desichic.ae. And yes, we are looking forward to serving you all.
Amazing. And do you all know, we are having an online workshop with Hiral. She is going to share a few nice fashion tips with us. So please stay connected. That's coming up, inshallah, on 18th of April. Right, Hiral?
Yes,
Yes,
yes, yes. I'm
18th of April.
excited.
Amazing.
Yes.
So who's going to be next? Nudrat is not here, right? Okay. Roma, there you go. 30 seconds starts now.
Yeah. Hi everyone, it's Roma from Sadaf Fashion, and we basically deal in handcrafted Lucknowi chicken work. These are few of my products. Like for the lesson, objectives are much more important. So for us is to cater the needs of our customers. So we had included this Western attire like the Scotch set, and there is much more in pipeline. So Sadaf is basically one-stop destination wherein you will get accessories along with your dresses. So please do follow me on Insta, Sadaf_fashions. Thank you.
My God, that was dot 30 seconds. Very nice, Roma. Okay, तुमको मैं पप्पी देती हूँ, रुक जाओ. Which we do with our students. का पप्पी नहीं दिख रही मेरे को इधर. Where did it go? हाँ.
Thank you.
Okay, who's next now? Nagina. Yes, Nagina ji, you're next. You'll have to unmute yourself.
Assalamu alaikum and a very bright good morning to all of you. Can you hear me? Because
Yes,
the first
Walaikum Assalam. Yes.
was very clear. But anyway, okay. I'm Nagina, basically from Chennai, India. Now, my forte is lending my voice for corporate advertisements and documentaries. I have a background, HR background, a corporate. I was the chief manager of HR, and this was a side, hustle kind of a thing. Of course, now we've moved to Dubai very recently, and I'm yet to start my assignments. So, lending my voice for cartoons, corporate videos, and documentaries is my forte. Thank you.
Amazing. And I have heard her voiceover. वो जो नहीं होते flights में, very soothing voices you will hear. So it's such kind of voice she has. And Ruby, I think you can share it in the group, or maybe Nagina ji, after this, you guys can reintroduce yourself in the group again. Okay, each one of you. So your photo, something about yourself, 2-liners, and your Insta and FB pages. Okay, share it in the group. And Nagina ji, you share your YouTube video which you had shared with Ruby earlier. That's
Yeah,
amazing. Who's next? Deepti, you. I'm
Hi
gonna have
everyone.
this weekend.
Yeah, I am Dipti Rathod. I am founder of Sugar and Spice by Dipti, and I am a home baker based in Sharjah, and I do complete eggless baking. And our USP is freshness and quality of ingredients. So any of your celebration is incomplete without us. So you can approach us, and you can check my work on Instagram as well. And do follow us on Instagram and see our work. It will be our hello.
Yes.
Yeah.
That was a notification that 30 seconds are off. We have started this new
Yeah.
strategy. So what was your
So
Instagram ID? You can share it with them once again.
Yeah, my Instagram ID is Sugar and Spice by Dipti, and I am
Amazing.
into complete eggless baking as I'm vegetarian. So we do provide customized cake, cupcakes, and festive hampers for all the occasion, Indian sweets and savories. And we do take order for kids meal boxes as well. So all of that you can check on my Instagram, and I can
Sure.
show you the
Oh, you have
chocolates
it.
I recently made for Ramadan boxes and chocolate coated dates
Can we
and
show it within 30
cookies.
seconds? But it's
Yeah,
okay.
thank you so much, everyone.
Okay, so you know now who to go to, yeah? दिखने में tempting दिख रहे हैं, हम fast कर रहे हैं वैसे.
Thank you.
Okay, there we go with Swati. Swati, your 30 seconds starts now. तुमको जो भी दिखाना है within the 30 to 35 second max, okay? Okay, I'm meeting you for
Hi.
the first time.
Yeah, I'm Swati, co-founder Soma for Wellness. To overcome lifestyle concerns such as weight loss, insomnia, or stress, book your consultations with us just like you would with your doctor or your beauty salon. Please remember that your self-care is a very serious business to you too. Thank you.
My God, are you the one who finished within 20 seconds? इनको पप्पी नहीं, मैंने इनको क्या देनी है? रुक जाओ तुम वहां पे. कुछ खास नहीं, पप्पी बेहतर लग रही है वहां पे. Take another puppy for you.
Thank you. Same to you. No, I
Oh.
think this is very obvious because as women, we don't prioritize ourselves enough. And Aisha, you and I have spoken quite a bit online, on
Yeah, we did
Facebook
speak. We
and
haven't
on
met face to
WhatsApp.
face. Yeah.
I'll see you
Soma
on the
Wellness, I
16th.
remember.
Yeah, I'll see you on the 16th.
16th, you're coming. Amazing.
I am one of her client. I am one of her clients. So yeah, I can vouch for her.
Oh,
I
thank
love
you.
that. This is how it
Thank you.
works. Women supporting
Yeah.
women, and this is how it works. Amazing. We are planning to have a session with Swati soon, though. I didn't get her date. She's very busy. I'm hoping to get her date soon. Okay. Now, who's next? Sadia, shall I put you on spotlight there? You there?
Yes, I'm
I-
here. Wait,
I can't
I'll
put you on
put
spotlight
on my
unless you have your video on.
Here it is.
There you go. Okay, 1 second. Ready?
Yes.
Start.
Hello, everyone. Most of the faces I am already familiar of. Thank you so much, Aisha, for this opportunity. I am into the digital marketing. And at the moment, the main thing is that I'm helping the brands to develop from A to Z. Plus, already the existing businesses, they can connect me for their social media marketing, their social media handling tips, and anything from A to Z they get stuck on, they will get a solution that how they can come out of it. So, inshallah ta'ala, you will find a solution for all your business and social media problems from my side, inshallah.
That is true. Anyone writes anything in the group, she is like, we have. कुछ और बोलते हैं, we have. ये हमारे पास है. And you know, we had a discussion with the other managers, and I was like, सादिया करती क्या नहीं है, पूछो जाके उनको करके. So that's a fact. She has contacts. I don't know how she does it, but she has a solution for everything. So thank you,
Thank
Sadia,
you
for
so much,
joining us.
Aisha. Thank you so much. And it's been quite a long now that I know Aisha, and the bonding is magical. And I
Alhamdulillah.
must say that she is a wonderful human being. I don't know her as a teacher because I am not one of her students, but my son is going to be soon. But yes, as a human being, I respect her a lot. Hats off to you.
रोना आ रहा. So sweet, you know. Thank you. Okay, who's next now? हाथ ऊपर भी कर सकते हैं, अपने को चाहिए तो. उषा ने फर्स्ट करा. Let's have this game. ये मस्त है. Okay, Usha, there you go. 30 seconds starts now.
Hi, I am CT Usha Sada. People call me PT Usha, but I'm not PT Usha. Coach and trainer CT Usha. I am into training and coaching. In training, I provide training related to confidence, communication, and many other skills. Currently, I've written a book called Lost and Found, and this book helps you to go a journey inwards and work. And if you want to know about this book, you can connect with me. And I've given training with AES also. Thank you, Aisha. And many of you have attended my few trainings. That's it. Thank you.
Amazing. 30 seconds. ये पहले से हाथ नहीं है, ये cheating है. I will tell you कब करनी है करके. So 30 seconds, that is amazing. And you get a puppy over there. There you go, Usha. Yes, we did have a workshop with Usha and it was amazing. You know, the best part about her workshop was she connected it to a movie. She asked the children to watch a movie, and depending on that, she had a workshop. And it was amazing. We couldn't share the video bite on YouTube though. But next time, hopefully, it is on demand. People asking for a next workshop with her. So we will have it soon. So you guys can join. Okay. So दीपा हाथ नीचे करनी थी, तुमने डायरेक्टली कैसे कर दी? चलो इस बार के लिए माफ.
Hello everyone, good morning. This is Deepa from Desire Real Estate, and I am running my own company, Desire Real Estate, the mean of which is desire. We are here to fulfill your desire of real estate. As you know, the vision of Dubai 2040, there is much more is coming in real estate where you can invest and get good appreciation and can make your dream come true by having your own apartments or own townhouses or villas. You know, the rents are going very high these days. So the people have thinking that instead of paying rent, we can they can own their own apartment by paying EMI, like in installments, because there are many kinds of properties there where you can get payment plans also. And we deal in every kind of properties in Dubai, offline, secondary, primary, everywhere. So whenever you have any kind of requirement, any kind of questions regarding properties, we are here to serve you. Thank you so
Yes.
much.
Thank you, Deepa. I think we can request everyone to drop your Insta IDs as well in the comment section. That would be much easier, right?
On
So
the Zoom chat. On the
Zoom chat. Yes, yes. So you guys can start following and keep your ear here as well. So you hear your
Also-
ear is here and eyes are here, and you're also trying to follow that. So two things at the same time.
Aisha, also thank you for acknowledging each person after they speak. It means a lot. Thanks.
Aw, ये कहाँ गई अपनी? I was looking for there. Foodylicious. I'm missing her. It's been long. She's not met me. That's not fair. There you go.
No, very soon. Inshallah. Hello,
some
everyone. Sorry, my voice is a bit bad, but it's good for others, I think, that I'll speak less. Okay, I'm Rachna. A few people know me. I'm the founder of Foodylicious. It's a vegetarian food brand where we do kind of a healthy take on food, from gluten-free laddus to authentic Gujarati food to mini bite-sized party food. A lot of people have tried our food, and I have honestly grown only by word of mouth thanks to this community and IWD. So I cannot be more grateful for being here and having your presence in my lives. So yeah, follow me on Insta, get added on my broadcast to know what I'm up to every day, and have a great day.
Thank you, Rachna. I have tried her food. The first time I thought sweets, healthy sweets. She always used to say that. And I am a big fan of sweets. मैं सोच रही थी स्वीट्स और हेल्दी कैसे बनाते हैं ये लोग, बट इट इज सो टेस्टी. शी यूज्ड टू कम टू आवर मीटअप से मेरे को हर बार फायदा होता था. मैं वेट करती थी ये कब आएगी वापस करके.
नहीं, मैं आऊंगी. Actually, I was stuck in some family things since last 3-4 months, but I've resumed now. I'll come back. Sure.
Inshallah, inshallah. I'm looking forward to meeting you. And
Sure.
Deepa, I wanted to ask, earlier the one real estate, it was not yours. You have started it lately, right? Recently.
I joined it recently because I was working as a freelancer or a part-time. Now I run my own company and I'm now full-time here. Before that, I was in modeling or calendar shoots and all.
Yes, I do know that. That's why, I wanted to cross-check. So amazing.
But
All the very best.
Last time when we met, we are in here. If you remember, I sponsored some gifts.
Yes, I do. I will not forget like that.
Company name. That is by my company name. So we have started on that time.
Amazing. Okay,
But
next one. Hanji.
Aisha, you also make amazing sweets.
कौन वो?
You.
Oh, hey. मेरी तारीफ हो रही है मेरे को, इसलिए मैंने टिश्यू साथ में रखा है.
I cannot forget the firni you made. Amazing.
Aisha, then we need to try and learn.
ईद को आ रहा है. The Eid celebration that we are going to have. You guys are going to taste my kheer, inshallah. पहली दफा होगा मैं इतने लोगों को बनाऊंगी, तो इसलिए अभी तुम लोगों ने आनी लाजिम है वहां पे. There we go. And next, who are we going to have? Shrishti, there you are. I met her at one of the exhibitions. That was the first time I saw her. She's from AES community, and then she went there. She said, "Mera stall hai," and I took my girls from. I went from another event, took 5 to 6 girls, and I went to her. There you are, Shrishti. 30 seconds.
Yes, thank you
Start
so
now.
much, Aisha, for that. And hello, everyone. I'm Srishti from Seebil Store. I have an online store for fashion clothings and little bit different stuff also, which I'm recently starting. But for now, I have clothing, and I want to show some of the stuff. This is a kind of bag and a matching dress. I will stand up and show you. And this is a dress, and which I actually, got it made from India. And I have some stitched ready-made dresses. Since Eid is coming, so I have some festival collection. This is lehenga, and it comes with a blouse and get this jacket.
Amazing.
This heavy
Oh.
jacket.
So we'll be
Can
taking off the
everyone
spotlight.
see
What
it?
you can do is you can make a short video of it and you can share it, or a collage, and share it while you are
Yes,
introducing
yes,
yourself.
of course. Of course, I will do
Okay.
it.
Amazing.
All right. So I have shared my Instagram on my on this chat already.
Yeah.
Stable UAE.
Okay, amazing. Ruby, would you do me a favor? Could you please share our teacher wala page, Easy and We Happy Homemakers, and the ones who are not following, जिनको हम follow नहीं कर रहे, please हमें बोल देना, we will follow you back, all of these people. ठीक है, सारे
Okay,
pages से.
thank you so much.
Welcome so much. Okay, Dharavya, next.
Hi, thank you so much for having me, Aisha, first of all. And hello, everyone. I have moved basically from Bangkok. It's been like 4 months here, and it was 7 to 8 years back in Bangkok. And I'm into photography, videography for past 8 years. Professionally, I have done more than 300 to 400 shoots. And whatever you need related to photography, videography, you can get in touch with me. I have covered up all the maternity, family shoots, product, then jewelry. Like I would be saying that I'm particularly so much interested in candid photography when it comes to like personal branding. It can be you, your face, or your products. So you can follow me on my page, Dharavya, DHARAVYA.photography. So would love to connect with you one-on-one. Thank you so much, Aisha.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So she is also going to be part of 2 of our events in future. So we are collaborating together. So you will get to meet Dharavya. And तुम लोग अगर इवेंट में आ रहे हो जालिमो तो फिर तुम लोगों के तुम्हारे हेडशॉट्स भी मिलेंगे वहां पे. अभी मैं
Yeah,
just brag कर रही हूँ.
Aisha, Dhara is my name. Dharavya is my photography name. So
Is
yeah,
it?
yeah.
And
So
I
Dhara
spoke to her so
Shah.
many times. She never corrected. उनको आज ही correct करना था
No, but I
मुझे.
was like, okay, when I meet in person, you have been calling me Dharavya, Dharavya. So I was like, okay. So I don't
हाँ,
like.
मेरे लिए भी लंबा पड़ रहा था नाम थोड़ा.
Yeah,
तो
so
ठीक है.
Dhara is my name. Yeah,
Dhara,
Dhara.
that's okay.
Yeah.
Amazing. तो वो छोटा
Yeah,
वाला नाम
thank
मेरे
you.
लिए ज्यादा easy होगा.
Okay,
Okay,
thank you.
you're welcome. Nidhi, are we ready? रिनवी फैशन मैंने इतना देखा है व्हाट्सएप पे, आज फाइनली मेरे को मिल गई निधि.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Nidhi Sharma, the founder of Renvi Fashion brand. As the founder of Renvi Fashion, I have set out on a journey to combine my love for fashion with my business spirit. Renvi Fashion offers style, affordable and unique dresses. This is one of my new Ramadan collection. You can see the color. This is the latest color. And you can see more at my page. I will appreciate if you will join my page and like and comment over there.
We will. Everyone has
Thank
to do
you,
that.
Nisha.
Mandatory. Submit,
Thank you
please
so much.
make sure you follow each other. That's how we support on small level. And then, later, you should never, miss out on your fellow entrepreneurs. And these are the ones who are going to give you references. So that's how I have grown. I can vouch on that. I'm telling you. So all the Insta IDs that they are sharing, please just try to follow them back. And that is how you will show support. And when you do something with a good intention, I'm telling you, it comes back. मैं बोल रही हूँ बिकॉज मेरे साथ हुआ है तो इसलिए मैं वाउच कर सकती हूँ ये चीज पे. Okay,
Hi,
next.
Aisha. Just a question. Sorry
Yeah.
to interrupt.
Mm.
Can we have these IDs on the WhatsApp? So if
Yes,
we
yes.
close this, we may not have access to these, you know. So when we
No, they are going to
so
reintroduce themselves, photo and a picture of their work, social media handles, and 1 or 2 liners. And 1 or 2 liners इसलिए because not everyone clicks on the picture. Okay, सब लोग हमारी शक्लें देखने में इंटरेस्ट नहीं होते हैं, तो इसलिए हम एक कुछ ऐसा स्ट्राइकिंग लाइन लिखेंगे ना, देन दे विल गो, एक कौन है ये, इसकी शक्ल देखनी है करके. ठीक है, सो दैट्स अ ट्रिक, मार्केटिंग ट्रिक है ये. सो आर वी रेडी? विद्या, यू आर ऑन स्पॉटलाइट.
Hi, good morning, everyone. Thanks, Aisha, for giving me this opportunity. And I met you in Dubai Bodhi Lions Club. I'm a charter member like Aisha. And I am a special educator, 24 years of experience in teaching special needs children across different spectrums and different diagnoses. And I have my double masters in inclusion and special education. And apart from that, I'm a very passionate artist. I do freelance art, and I also a part of G3 Galaxy, Creative Galaxy, where I teach vocational training for children. In some of my work here, I specialize in Cherial art, and I've also got award from the Ambassador of India, the Best Artist Award in one of the event. So this is a small stool. I customize woodwork along with my art. So there's some other things I would like to show you. It's all there on my Insta page. So these are all home decors, anything that you want. It can be corporate gifts. So please do look into my Insta page. And there's one major one that I recently did is a Tanjore art of a mirror. Mirror should be in the middle, yet to fix it. So it's a Tanjore art. So a huge one. So yeah, please do check. And I also do teach children during vacations and things for arts, crafts, something utility based. Thank you so much, Aisha, and thank you everyone for listening to me.
Vidya, I love the art. You know, बचपन की याद नहीं आती तुम लोगों को? You know, when we were kids, we used to see the first picture what you had shown on the stool. You know, and it's usually found on temples as well, right? This kind of art. Where do we
It's a
find
folk
Folk
art.
art
It's
it is.
basically Telangana in Andhra Telangana is
Yes.
divided. So this Cherial painting is basically folk art, village people.
Village
It's a depiction of village story, you know. So
Right.
the family is meeting the old grandma and things like that. It's a village scene, you know.
My roots are from Andhra, so that's the reason I
Yeah.
said that. But I was brought up in Goa,
That's-
though. Okay,
Oh,
who's
that's
here
nice.
on this line, on the third line? Vandana, there you go, my chocolatier.
Hi everyone. So Vandana Junjunwala here, and I'm here to represent two companies. One is Impressions Choco Hub, and the other one is Al Sultan. Impressions Choco Hub makes your taste buds go dancing, kind of. So I make chocolates, premium quality and artisan chocolates, and cakes, eggless cakes, customized. So why you should go with me? Because you are eating not more than a chocolate in a day. So why not make it a good quality chocolate? And the cakes too. And second company is Al Sultan, and we have recently started a door-to-door service, like from home, pick up from your home to Abu Dhabi Mandir. And we have all the other services related to travels also. That's it. Thank you so much.
I just want to mention the cakes and the chocolates by Junjunwala. Amazing, amazing. Very
yeah.
nice and so fresh. Whenever you taste it, it's so fresh. And I love it.
True.
Thank you, Deepa.
And you know
My
how I remembered her the first time? She said that she makes Oman chips and chocolate together. And I was like, ye kaun banata hai? But it turned out to be so good. I tasted it. It's amazing. And she also surprised me with a blow away cake on my birthday. If you are following me on social media, you would know she baked amazing cake. हाँ, वो अलग बात है, glitters अभी मुंह से और नाक से अंदर चले गए थे, कान का एक ही बाकी हुआ था मेरा. But the cake was yum. हमने खत्म कर दिया. Fast कर रहे थे, फिर भी हमने खत्म कर दिया. Thank you, Vandana.
Thank you so much, Aisha.
Okay, Shahnaz, are you ready, love? Please unmute yourself. Girls, stick until the end. There's giveaway coming. Shahnaz गायब हो गई. हाँ, नीचे आ गई.
Yeah. Hi.
Yes,
Are you
Shahnaz.
hearing me?
Yes.
Good morning. My name is Shahnaz Samsul. My brand name is Naz Art. I do customize gifts by my hand itself. Everything is customizable as per the customer's choice. I will show some of my products. Just
Are you using that? Yeah, yeah. Oh, did I just see that? Oh my God.
these are miniature.
Is this us? No, you have kept the letters together. Okay, that's so cute. Can I take a
Blogs. These are everything blogs I do customize. And these are mini brands of fridge magnets. These are wooden and acrylic keychains, which all I do customize.
Amazing.
And all my products are customizable as per customer's choice and their budget.
Okay.
I also do customize a mug, water bottle, key, and t-shirts, everything. Sorry, I'm with the baby, so I was not able to show properly.
No worries. I think we all saw, right? Girls, show me thumbs up. You guys saw. That was amazing. Shahnas, I think it's the first time we are meeting. I love your products. It's too good. Amazing work.
I'm a client. I'm a client. I've taken few products from her, and one thing I want to say about her: her Instagram account got hacked, and she had so many followers. She again restarted it. It was a great thing. It was a
Thank
journey
you.
for her.
I think we can support her then all the more by following her.
Yes,
Thank you so much.
Shaina, don't worry, you'll bounce back. When your work is good, once you're falling down, it's just like, God wants you to go 2 steps backwards so that you can jump 10 times faster.
Yeah,
Okay,
actually all my customers were from my Instagram only. After my Instagram got hacked, I dropped off everything. And after that, I got pregnant also and went to India and just now delivered the baby. And now I'm just restarting everything from the starting.
Inshallah, we are with you. Don't worry, we'll fix that.
This is the thing, when you don't give up, the success will come to you.
Absolutely. So we have another Naz here. This is C Naz. So one of our AES member, Amina over here. Amina, yes, here you go.
Yes. Hello, everyone. I'm Amina Nubla from CNAS Creations. I am a tutor and an artist. So imagine a world where, the discarded items are transformed into something beautiful, beautiful works of art, and they also contribute to a greener and a more sustainable future. So at CNAS Creations, this is our vision, and we make this possible. I provide art workshops both online and offline. And through the workshops, we not only foster the creativity, but I also educate the participants about reduce, reuse, and recycling. I also provide DIY art kits. I would like to show you a few. This is one wall decor that I've created.
Amazing.
It's basically cardboard, corn husk, sweet corn husk, and twigs that I've used here, and paper. And this is a vase. This is made completely from the Masafi bottle. You can see you have a wooden texture on it. It's just Masafi bottle that I have recycled.
Wow.
And
Masafi walon ko dikhate hain ye. They'll give you all the bottles of gas.
I do have a bunch here. I don't know when my husband is going to kick me out.
Amazing.
This is the masking tape roll, no? So that is turned into.
Wow, very nice.
This is a DIY kit that I just. This was there for our giveaway. Aisha's.
Yeah.
Yes.
Beach
So this
view,
would be
beach
this
view.
is the kit, the DIY kit, and this would be the final product you get.
Wow.
Cool. Rashi is going to do that now. I'm going to share. She's one of the winners. Who's the second winner?
Yes.
She got the gift too?
No, yeah, but she hasn't come to collect it yet.
Okay.
I think she stays a little far, so she'll let me know.
Okay. There we go. We're going to Radhika. There you are. Sabse upar. Pakdo Radhika ko. On spotlight.
Hello, good morning. Oh, it's still morning. I'm Radhika. I'm the owner and artist at Miradero Creations. I think some of you already know me here. So what I do is I create products with resin, I specialize in resin art. I specialize in eco resin. So that's where we make candles from. Personalized coasters, keychains, candles. I also do a lot of art workshops for a lot of large groups. So up to 100 people, 200, 300 people. I've done workshops for corporate groups, individual, for children. If anyone who has contacts with events companies, I would like to get in touch with them. That's like an ask that I have today. And also do corporate gifting as well. I don't know why it's okay. There you go. So something,
Yeah,
and
it's
everything
beautiful.
is handmade by me.
Amazing, amazing, Radhika.
Thank you so
First
much.
time we are
Thank you so much.
meeting, and it looks so
Yes,
good,
we're meeting
especially
for
the
the
name
first time.
one,
Yes.
the customized name one. Good for gifting.
Yes.
Personal touch it is. Okay, so
So this
first
is
time
just
we
a smaller
covered.
piece. Yes.
You have the bigger one as well. You can make a bigger one.
I
But
do bigger ones, but I don't keep samples. So most of my products are customers. They see the picture, they give me their ideas. I
you can
make it
share
and
it in
it's
the
delivered.
group. You know, few of your
So
work,
yeah,
make
I'll
a
share it.
collage and share. Yeah. Second
Definitely.
line, Roshni. Rohini, maar degi mere ko wo.
Hi, good morning all. But Aisha, I spoke last time, so am I eligible? Is it okay?
हाँ बात कर लो. बाकी लोग
Okay.
नहीं आए ना जालिम लोग, तो तुम बात कर लो उनके
Thank you.
behalf में.
Thank you so much. Yeah. Good morning all. I'm Roshni. I'm a graphologist, certified handwriting and signature analyst and kids handwriting developer, which means I can analyze your handwriting and I can tell about your personality, your characteristics, and your health, and later help to change it. I also work with the kids to develop the handwriting scientifically. Thank you.
Amazing. And Nishi is one of our favorites, वैसे. I once, for the yacht party, we had a giveaway and we had to choose the winners. So what I did was with my son, I sat and we removed few chits. It was written by me and I posted in the group. 5 minutes later, I get a good audio from a long audio and I'm like, ये तो भेजती नहीं अभी क्या हो गया कुछ हो गया होगा, that kind of a thing. Then I heard and she told me about myself. She's like, normally we don't say like that, Aisha, but I really wanted to give, tell something about you. And it was more or less like almost correct, I can say, whatever she said about me. I was like, तुम और मेरे पास से भी सुन लो, ये भी हूँ मैं, वो भी हूँ, मैंने भी खुद उनको और 4 लंबे ऑडियो भेज दिए. We were just talking about myself for good half an hour in long audios. So that was very precisely correct. Normally, I do not go for tarot, astro and all that. ये जो चीजें मैं नहीं करती हूँ because ऐसा होता है कि what is destined for me, I don't want to know prior. ये जो होगा वो होना है वैसा ही करके. But this I've known कि ये एकदम सही से रोशनी ने बताया. So I think I can recommend the ones who believe in that. Please go ahead with her. So second line, Srivani, there you go, another favorite of us.
Hi. Hi, Aisha.
Hi.
Thank you for giving me wonderful opportunity. Hi,
This is
all.
in the 30
This is
seconds, huh,
Srivani.
Srivani? That line is also in your 30 seconds.
Yeah. Hi, all. I'm Srivani, the founder of Arso Organics. I'm a naturalist, basically. In the journey of my natural living, I understood that not only organic products for our helps by using the outer application. When we use natural products, it will give you good health, and then it is a good energy receiver when we are using good products for our skin and hair. So I started making natural products without any chemicals or preservatives. I have a wide range of salon and wellness products. I have so many products I can show you. Here are my soaps. Can you see?
Yeah.
Yeah, here are my handmade soaps in different varieties. Coconut oil soap, rose petal, papaya, multani methi, different varieties of soaps. And I have lip balms in 2 varieties, aloe vera and beetroot. I have hair oils, red onion hair oil, and then shampoo bars. And I have moisturizing cream, Kumkumadi oil, Kumkumadi gel, Kumkumadi cream. And I have kajal in two different containers. One is pencil kajal and one is conical kajal. And I have cold press oils, almond oil, flaxseed oil, walnut oil. And then I have scrubs herbal scrubs.
We are
And I
done
have
with the
a health
30
mix
seconds,
powder too.
Shivani. So I'll
Yeah.
have to remove you from spotlight. So another thing about Shivani is I'm using her hair oil and Subbalakshmi Ridham's hair oil both. So one week I use hers, the other week I use hers. I think Shivani's all the products I have used, my whole family has used. I've used both the kajals of hers, all the lip balms and all. I don't know, some of the other way she comes gifting me all of that. So everything I've used, and Kumkumadi gel is one of my favorite that I do not miss in my skin routine. I don't apply anything, by the way. It's Fair and Lovely. Don't laugh at me, please. I don't apply compact and all of that,
Thank you
neither
so much,
foundation.
Aisha.
So Kumkumadi gel is a mandatory thing that I use. And on top of that, my Fair and Lovely kajal and lipstick. So thank you for
And
making
we
that.
have offers for Ramadan now. If you want any,
Yeah. So girls, you
if
can approach
if any
her.
of your yeah, you can approach me.
Amazing.
Thank you.
So I'm left
Thank you
with
so much,
only
Aisha.
Trija and Ruby, right? Rest all are covered. I'm putting a tick mark though. Apni Dilshad ko I have missed. So there are 3 people, right? हाँ, खामोशी है मतलब वही. Trija, you there? Can you talk? Trija? She's in the office, she said. Okay, we'll move on to somebody else then. Dilshad, over to you, love. 30 seconds starts now.
Hi everyone, I'm Delshad, founder of Ascendia Services, which is a blend of holistic well-being as well as tax and accounting. So we provide assistance to other business owners regarding tax, VAT, UAE corporate tax compliance, filing of returns, maintaining books of accounts, etc. And I'm also a Reiki master. I practice many healing and prediction modalities, including angel healing, tarot card reading, numerology, NLP, past life regression, etc. Thank you, Aisha, for this platform and best wishes to all the entrepreneurs here.
Amazing. Dilshad, तुमको पप्पी देनी च पड़ेंगे अभी. इतना short. And Shrivani, तुमको मैं भूत दे रही हूँ, रुको तुम. Because you took longer than everyone. This is for Dilshad.
Thank you, Aisha.
Okay, Trija is not turning her video on, so I'm not able to get her there. I've saved the best for the last, one of our very favorites, and also she's part of the AES team officially. So we have Ruby Inayat, the Rubania Shabna. There you go, Ruby.
Hello everyone, I'm Ruby. I'm a home baker. I'm more into cakes, cupcakes. I do make egg and eggless both, and the brownies as well. You all have to try my brownies as well. So that's it. My Insta handle is Kitty Bakes Yummy Cakes. I'll be sharing my link in the box. Thank you
Yeah.
so much.
So I don't have to talk about Ruby. Ruby has made so many cakes for AES. I can't tell you. Like made a personal event and we have to have a cake from Ruby. Ruby is my family's personal favorite, to be honest. And her brownies, she beats the Pizza Hut brownies. I can vouch on that. You eat it and you will let me know that Aisha, you were right about it. Even we had iftar party and she baked the brownies. It was just done like that. Zalim लोगों ने मेरे लिए कुछ नहीं छोड़ा, खा लिए लोगों ने. So each time I see her, मेरे को सिर्फ brownies याद आते हैं. अभी ये छुपा लेती है मुंह मुझे देख के, वो अलग चीज है. But yes, do follow her. It's Kitty Bakes Yummy Cakes. And we are proud to have you on board, Ruby, for all the incredible work you're doing at AES. And she's one of the executive managers at AES. So it's an honor to have her on board. Hello, puppy. Trija को वो नहीं वो फ्लाइट में बुलाते हैं. This is the last call for Trija. फ्लाइट AES निकल रही है. Trija, तुम आ रही हो या नहीं अभी बताओ जल्दी. ऐसे होनी चाहिए फ्लाइट अनाउंसमेंट. Trija, you there?
We can ask Nagina Ahmed to announce.
क्या? हाँ, Nagina. Where are you, Nagina? Can't see you.
Much here, very much here.
हाँ, बुला दो अभी. Trija को बुलाओ. Final call.
Final call for you, Trija. Welcome on board. The flight is about to leave in a few moments from now.
नहीं आ रही है वो, उसको नहीं छोड़ देंगे, उसकी टिकट कैंसिल कर देंगे. Are we ready for the giveaway? Yes? Okay, let's do this. I want everybody's attention here because ये record हो रहा है. Any action of yours ऐसा ही जाएगा YouTube में. फिर मैं ही बोलना मेरे को, आयशा ये मेरा ये वाला पार्ट उड़ा दो. मैं बिल्कुल नहीं उड़ाने वाली. ऐसा ही जाएगा ये सारा. So please stick to the screen there because it's been there. जो भी आप कर रहे हो दिख रहा है यहाँ पे. I see lovely smiles. सुमा का तो beginning से लेके आखिर तक वही है smile. And see her. दिख रहा है तुम लोग को स्वाति का? Okay, there we go, Ruby. You will be on spotlight. So first, lucky draw will be for the 5 winners who will get 50% off on our membership, and the next 5 will get free shout outs on our Entrepreneur Zone feed.
Okay.
इन्हीं लोगों के नाम है ना बस?
Yes, yes.
Okay. तुमने बैकग्राउंड क्यों ब्लर कर
Let's
दिया?
start.
Yes, yes, go ahead.
Okay, I'm shuffling. Here it is.
स्क्रीन के साइड में नहीं लेके जाना, ब्लर हो रहा है वो.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
The first one. ड्रम रोल करें यहाँ पे? किसी को ड्रम बजाना आता है?
Okay, the first one is the luckiest one, Usha Sarda.
Oh, Usha Sharda. This is for the 50% off on our membership. It's otherwise 350. We are giving it for 50% off. It's for 3 months. You get 3 feed or 3 posts on our feed. One in collaboration with the teacher page. And there are a lot more FB lives and stories, 6 to 7 stories and a lot more. Yes, first one is Usha. Next one is?
Next one is Deepa Gupta.
Deepa Gupta, the real estate. Okay, amazing. Third वाला उसी में से निकालो. Already shuffled है ना पूरा. 3, 4, 5.
Next, Sadia Tariq.
Sadia requires it? I don't think so. Sadia, you can pass it on to somebody else.
And the fourth one is Roma.
Roma from Roma
Yeah.
Fashions.
Siddharth Fashions.
Siddharth Fashions, yes. Roma, तुम्हारा तो
What
कल ही
did you
तुमने
say,
membership
Aisha?
ली है. हाँ?
What did you say?
मैं बोली तुम्हें जरूरत है 50% off on membership.
Ah,
And
if
the
it is
last one
benefiting AES, why not?
Benefiting AES, हाँ, ये actually membership तुम लोगों के benefit के लिए है. So you see, if you are interested, then good to go. Otherwise, you can pass it on to somebody else. Rohma took a membership yesterday only, and today she gets 50% off. So Rohma, तुम्हारा next 3 months का will be on 50% off.
Wow. Thank you.
You're welcome. Next.
Okay, the last one is Nagina Ahmed.
Nagina ji, membership पे 50% off. I'm not sure if you would want to use. Girls, this is something you can give to others as well. That is totally fine. If you think आपको नहीं लेना है, किसी और को देना है, that is also fine. ठीक है? So it is 50% off on our membership. Next are the
other 5, the
5 lucky ones who get a shout out on Easy Feed. Start.
Okay. Shahnaz Shamsul.
Naz. Oh, Shahnaz, there you go. With
Thank
the
you so
bacha
much.
you joined today and you get a shout out on our feed. मैं वही बता रही थी ना, let's grow together, and you got your name there.
Thank you.
And then Trija
को hold में रखते हैं because Trija, you there? She has to be एक second ना. Trija, can I hear from you? Trija, we've been calling your name. तुम नहीं थी वहां पे. Okay, thumbs up आ गया Trija के पास से. Consider Trija का intro लेना है हमने वैसे. Okay, Trija next.
Okay, next is Nidhi.
Rinvi Fashion. She's here? Yeah, everyone's here. Number 4, who's the fourth one? Fourth lucky. Swati, Soma Wellness. Swati, तुम्हारी smile वहां पे आ गई देखो. नाम तुम्हारा चिपके. And who's the fifth one? The last one.
The last one. Okay.
Slowly निकालो.
Then Vandana
Junjunwala, the chocolatier. Oh, keys. So we have got the 5 lucky winners. Others don't be disappointed. हमारे आते रहेंगे virtual meetup. Rachna is like, मेरा क्यों नहीं आया? आएगा उसमें. Every month we do. Every month we are going to give free shout outs to our entrepreneurs, and even on the 16th वाला जो होने वाला है, we are going to give free shout outs there as well. Lucky draw होंगे उसमें. So I don't want to give you all gifts. This is, I think, the best gift what we can give you. Shout outs on our handles. This is what small business owners need, right? So having said that, I'm going to just keep yourself on spotlight for a second. You just have to tell, how did you feel about our workshop? Okay, we are going to make a reel of that and we are going to post it on our Insta and FB pages. So, are you all set? एक word कोई
one-
सोच लो.
in
One
just
word.
one word.
One
Which
or two
workshop?
words. Okay.
Workshop or today's session?
Today's networking session.
Okay.
Okay. Ready? We start. We go in the order. Dilshad, you'll be first. Please keep yourself unmuted. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
Amazing.
Oh, easy. वही मेरा वाला है ये. There you go.
Fabulous to meet fabulous people.
Lovely. Radhika, you.
Great energy early in the morning. Thank you.
Oh, Dhara, you.
It's so wonderful to connect with you all. Thank you so much, Aisha.
Welcome. 2 words से ज़्यादा हो गए वो. Srishti.
This is my first time and I feel amazing. Thank you so much.
You're welcome so much. Roshni, there you go.
Lovely meeting lovely people.
Whoa. Shrivani.
Thank you so much for the opportunity to meet all the co-entrepreneurs. Very happy to be joining all the lovely ladies. Thank you so much.
That was 2 paragraphs now. Shrivani is breaking all the rules today. Rachna, you.
Empowering. Completely empowering.
Oh, Mary Jan. Rachna, you have another page of yours, right? Curly tails? What? No, curly?
No, I wish curly tails was mine, but
Curvy,
no.
curvy tails something?
That's being curvy. I
Being
do plus size fashion for clothes, but I have not full-fledged started into it, but I do it for the used clothes, yes. Like people
Inshallah.
who can't keep it often, but the people don't want to stock it, they just want to keep on rolling it. I do that.
Amazing.
Thank you.
Inshallah, वो भी हो जाएगा boom. There you go. Roma.
It was fantabulous and empowering.
Oh, सब लोग ने अलग-अलग ही बोला वैसे. Hiral, you.
For me, it's wholesome and engaging. Thank you so much.
Usha, you.
It was super, fantastic, fantabulous, awesome.
Oh, you know DID Little Champs में नहीं आते वो. गीता माँ बोलती है. Amina, you.
It was a dynamic networking session. First time for me.
Oh,
Thank you.
wow. Thank you. Deepa, you. Real estate style में.
Opportunistic, let's grow together.
Wow. I've seen her videos ऐसे. सिर्फ आजकल दीपा का मेरे को शक्ल बाय हार्ट हो गया है. Nidhi.
Thank you.
Lovely to meet you, all of you, on one platform. Lovely to see you all. Thanks.
Same here, Nidhi. Swati, there you go.
Uplifting.
Uplifting. Thank you. Nagina ji, there you go.
Synergy and collaboration.
Amazing. Ruby Bex kate.
Wonderful platform.
Deepti, there you go.
Thank you, Aisha, for the opportunity, and it was wonderful vibing with all of you, AES member. Thank you.
Thank you, love. Shanaz.
It was amazing to see wonderful women entrepreneurs.
Sadia, there you go. Wait 1 second. I'll put you on spotlight. We have only 3, 4 more. That's it.
Very interactive, brilliant. Keep it up.
Thank you. Sadia is another video maker. She keeps making videos. Rhythm, Subbalakshmi. Uh-oh. You have to turn on the audio.
Positive vibe.
Aw. Radhika, there you go.
Oh, I already did it, but I'll say it again. Great energy and good to meet everyone. This is my first time as well.
How come you guys got shuffled? ऐसा भी होता है. Vandana and Trija are left, right? Vandana.
It was a really good morning.
That's Aisha style. Okay. We left. Did I leave anyone?
Yeah,
Except for
me,
Trija.
Vidya.
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 Missed you. ऊपर चली गई तुम. हाँ.
Me again? Okay.
Yes.
I would call the whole session, this is my first time. Wow. WOW, that is Women of Wonders. And to see different people coming from different backgrounds, and it's really amazing.
Amazing. ये किसी और का नेटवर्किंग कम्युनिटी ग्रुप का नाम है ये.
Oh,
वाओ.
is it?
वो आएंगी अभी उसके बाद
I
चेस
didn't
करते
feel.
हुए. Trija, I want to hear from you, please, before we wind up.
Sorry, Aisha, being at office, a lot of limitations.
I
First
understand.
time, yeah, sorry for that. This I just got to the washroom actually, to just for the close-up at least.
So you there? Can I see you then?
Yeah, let me just check on it.
हाँ, दीदार हो गए त्रिजा के.
Okay.
Trija, you're from Abu Dhabi, right?
Yes, I'm
Yes,
from Abu
we
Dhabi.
met.
Yes, we have met. Yes, but I came for the meetup in January.
Yes.
So it's my first time here. A lucky day as well, I think so, because I got a gift too, a shout out gift too. And so many new faces, so many new businesses. So I'm very happy to be here today.
Can you tell about your business quickly?
Yeah, my name is Trija and my venture is Artify Handicrafts. We deal with diamond paintings where we are using small beads or rhinestones to make different type of products. So we provide the products both as finished products and DIY kits.
Oh, amazing. That's cool. Okay, girls. So with that, we are at the end of this. It was really nice having you all. One thing I say is let's grow together. That's my funda in life. And I want you all to, I mean that. I want you all to stick by me and let's grow together. Let's help each other grow. At least word of mouth reference. If you have seen today, while they were introducing, some of them had already used their products and they were like, oh, I have used it. It's nice. That little gesture of yours will go a long way for them. So you do not know, it might be just a liner for you, and for them, it means a lot. And then people, nowadays, the best kind of marketing is word of mouth. We are here in the market for word of mouth. I've invested a lot in digital marketing. Nothing worked. कोई कीड़ा आता नहीं, पैसे ही जाते हैं वहां पे. So हमारा जो होता है word of mouth. हाँ, आयशा का community ऐसा है, आयशा ये है. Have you checked it out? आयशा के classes लेती है, इनका ये होता है. ऐसे word to word होता है हमारा. And only because of references हम चल रहे हैं. So I want you all to follow the same, and inshallah I'm hoping to see you all on 16th April. अगर online इतना अच्छा है तो offline कितना अच्छा रहेगा ना? Marketing कर रही हूँ मैं. But inshallah it's gonna be great. And I'm really looking forward कि आ जाओ तुम लोग सारे. We still have a few slots left. And अपने products साथ लेके आ जाओ so that others can see it. Good networking session is what I can promise. 2 hours, it's worth your time. More, the emphasis will be on networking. That is what I can say. It's at Marina Pearl Towers, Marina Pearl Latifa Towers. It's on Sheikh Zayed Road. Okay, I'm going to see you all, inshallah. All those who are interested, please connect with Ruby, and lots of love and dua your way. Mwah. You all are in my prayers.
Aisha, I can vouch for the word of mouth, because now people have come to me for asking for the flavors, and when I don't quote them Oman chips, they're like, "You are making Oman chips also, right?"
आधी publicity ये इधर से हमने की तुम्हारे ओमान चिप्स की.
Oman chips is given by Aisha only.
वो किसी को नहीं मालूम पड़ेगा. चलो खैर है. It was so good having you all. I love you guys, and keep smiling, keep being like this. I love the smile until the end. You guys are still having that beautiful smile on your face. That's amazing, mashallah. Keep vibing. Lots of love. Mwah. Take care. Bye.
You too. Bye.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Thank you so much,
Thank you so
Aisha.
much for this amazing session. Bye.
Most
Thank you,
welcome.
Aisha. Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye. Bye.